First, let's take a look at what is Next.js. Next.js is a framework built on top of React that gives you the flexibility of building scalable apps by allowing you to render content on the server. It is a framework that allows you to build React apps but render content on the server in advance. Next.js is a full-stack framework. You won't just be building the front end of your application, but also the back end as well, because Next.js provides us with a Node server out of the box. Next.js is the future of React apps, so I'm really excited to teach this course. Next.js is known as the React framework for production, and you will learn why in this section and also in this course. In React, you always render content on the client. There is no server. But with Next.js, you can choose to do that on the client, on the server, or a mix of both. You can choose to render on client in your browser on one page, whereas choose to do something else on the server on another page. Next.js is really flexible. And this is why you are able to build really scalable and highly performant applications because of this hybrid approach. Next.js is already built on top of React. So if you know React, you will feel right at home with Next.js, but are able to take your React applications to the next level. Now, let's take a look at some of the benefits of Next.js.